What do you do when you are stuck at home on a hot summer day? Check out funny prank ideas for you and your friends in our new video. I didn't think that playing Jenga could be so boring. Maybe it's because we've been playing it for 2 hours and it still won't fall. Hey, what are you doing? Guys, it's your lucky day. You are talking to a real prank king. Stop playing your boring games. This is a board with prank assignments for everyone. Cut round holes in a wide piece of cardboard. Coat the cardboard with red acrylic paint. Put a task in a paper cup. Cover it with a piece of crepe paper. Put a rubber band over it to secure it. Glue the cup to the hole in the cardboard. Fill all the holes using cups with tasks. Glue printed numbers next to each hole. What do we do with it? It's simple. Repeat after me. Come on! Oh, that's not hard. Everyone got their prank assignment. Let the battle begin. May the strongest one win the crown of Best Prankster. Minecraft is so addictive. I'll take these stairs away. I don't need them. Dave! Who's yelling down there? Dave! I'm coming! Why are you screaming? Well, what do you want? Ah! Where are the stairs? I don't understand. The stairs disappeared. Why aren't you coming down? You can't see the stairs? Ha! My prank worked! Huh? You were right. Your prank is great. Here's the crown. Thanks! My crown! And the stairs are still here. They are just covered with pictures of tiles. My laundry will dry fast in the sun. I'll hang it up carefully. Great! This is my chance! And here's a suitable black shirt. I'll sprinkle it with cookie crumbs. More crumbs! Pigeons, come here! Create pigeon poop on a black t-shirt with white acrylic paint. Time to take the laundry off. Everything is dry. Oh, what happened to my shirt? Did pigeons do it? It looks like a whole flock was here. What do I do? It's ruined. Ha! You fell for my prank, and the crown is mine now. That was just a prank? Come on, redhead. Stop! Don't eat the apple. I'll show you a trick. Are you sure? Trust me. I'll put the apple on your head, and then I'll shoot it off with water from a hose. It doesn't sound good. Don't worry. Let's just take the crown off. Careful. Let's start. 1, 2, go! Ah! Your mascara is running. What a great prank. And I get the crown. You won't get away with ruining my makeup. Redhead, there's no need to stop. Take that. Today is a perfect day for sunbathing. I'll put down a towel. Fine, I'll take the crown off for a little while. Sean fell asleep. This is the perfect chance to pull my prank. I'll carefully put a Batman sign on his chest. I have the crown! Sleep tight, Sean. I think I tanned for too long. What's that? A Batman logo! My essence came out while I was sleeping. I always knew I had a special destiny. Redhead, you will like this surprise. You are almost there. Right here. This bat is for you. And there's a piñata. Break it. Go! Cut brown crepe paper into strips. Fasten it on a paper lantern using double-sided tape. Cover the whole lantern. Coat it with acrylic paint. Create a beehive pattern. One, two. I don't get it. Where's the piñata? Oh, I hit it. Let's see. Where's my candy? This is a beehive. Did you break my house? You won't get away with this. Ah! Ha-ha! And the crown is mine again. Nice. Time for my prank. This is gonna be fun. I'll pretend that I burned my skin with a grill. It looks so real. Now I can cry for help. Ah! Help! It burns! Who's screaming? Oh no! Redhead is on fire! Does it hurt? Are you all right? I'm great! And I have the crown! What? Really? What an interesting magazine! But it's making me so sleepy for some reason. I'll take a little nap. Are you sleeping, Redhead? That's nice! You are gonna love my prank! You'll feel like a fly in a cobweb. Sleep! No one will disturb your nap. But I'm gonna get the crown! Ah! Give me my crown back right now! Why would you need a crown? Keep sleeping! I'll rock you! Come back! Get me out of here! Help! It's so hot today, and the crown is hurting my head. The crown! It will be mine! I'll put my yummy cake right here. Whip 6 egg whites and yolks separated. Add 3½ ounces of cocoa powder to the yolks and 9 ounces of sugar to the whites. Beat it in. Add the white foam to the chocolate mass. Put in 9 ounces of flour. Add food coloring. Fold the ingredients together. Bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Mix equal parts milk, gelatin, and pink chocolate. Pull out the bendy part of a straw. Cut it off. Connect a few straws. Secure them with rubber bands. Put them in a cup. Pour the milk gelatin mixture into the straws. Crumble the ready sponge cake. Take the hardened mix out of the straws. Look at these delicious pink worms! Decorate the crumbled sponge cake with gelatin worms. Make it look like dirt after rain. Hi! Want to try some? It's so delicious! Fresh soil straight from a garden. This is what any raw food enthusiast dreams about. Ew! That's disgusting! Get it away from me! Whatever! All the more for me! And the crown is mine now! Now I'm going to take Sean's crown away. Whoops! Are you awake? Let's play badminton. Sure! Serve! Hit it! Ha! You missed! I'm winning! Let's see who wins. Here's an egg. Try hitting it, Sean. Ah! This is so gross! And I got the crown! Hi, Dave! Where's the crown? I don't have it! You were supposed to have it, right? The crown disappeared! Ah! Where's the water coming from? Stop this madness! Amateurs! You don't know anything about pranks! Learn from the pros! Did you like our summer prank ideas? Then comment below what you liked more. A Batman tan? A beehive piñata? A t-shirt attacked by pigeons? Or gelatin worms? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new funny prank ideas from Troom.